My name is Thomas, or Toto Supertramp on the social. I'm just back from the Atlas Mountain Race where I placed third, and today we're going to do a back check, so let's dive in. First, this video is unsponsored, so make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to support. So yeah, let's start with the bike itself. It's a custom-made, hand-built here in Lyon. It's a steel frame from Epsilon Bike. So it is built with pretty much everything that I like. I could have done much better. You find an Shimano XT group on it, brakes, derailleur. We've put at the rear an XTR cassette to save a bit some weight. At the front you can find a Hope crankset. I use Garmin pedals for the power data. At the front you can find the latest RockShox fork. It's CDSL Ultimate 100mm travel. The latest with 3 position, open, locked or hardtail. And the wheels, same as the frame, handmade here in Lyon by a small company called Aster Lyon. It is a wheel. On the front of the bike you can find a Ricci handlebar, carbon one, same as the stem, and I use Profit Design clip-on bar to get more aerodynamic, more comfort. For the seat post, Ken Creek, the E-Silk one, carbon. I've set up some Hutchinson skeleton tires. Really happy with the choice, really fast rolling tires, even though they are really fucked up after the race. 1,300 kilometers-ish, and the rear is pretty worn out. But all in all, I was really happy with the setup. You can find airborne grip, spear grip, so different hand position to reduce the numbness on the end. I use a Brooks T13 carved saddle, very smooth. And yeah, that's pretty much all from the bike. So as you can see, it is set up with wrist-strap bags. At the front you will find custom-made frame bag, race bag at the rear, race top tube bag on the top, strap for an extra tube, and a food pouch at the top. What do you find in there? So at the front I use it for food, bars, etc. In the top one, so you can find plugs and lip balms, very useful for the turn in the mountain. What's inside? So here you have small pockets, cable, spare batteries, etc. I haven't mentioned it yet, so I use Phoenix light at the front, same at the rear. It's battery powered light, really awesome. This is the kind of battery you can find inside. Run like 18 hours run time at 200 mm, way enough to get through the night. And so yeah, some spare batteries here, cable, tools, another cable. What do I have here? It's spare glasses for the night, spare batteries, GoPro spare batteries as well. And here I have an external battery, 20,000 milliampere. I barely used it halfway as I stopped in auberge and hotel during the night. But yeah, really useful. Not mentioned yet, use Wow V2 ROM GPS, super happy with that. Always used Wow, simple, etc. And I have another boat backup, as a backup. So the frame bag, what do you find in here? Baby wipe, very useful for the bed. This is like kind of the pharmacy, so sea fat, cream for the butt, some comfy, shower cream, like special medication for stomach, toothbrush, sunscreen, toothpaste, toilet paper. I have some Voltaren, some extra peels, etc. But everything that you need to get through the Atlas Mountain. What I have here, it's spare sealant. I will take some lubes, humid condition, but very useful for long distance racing from the finish line. Really happy with this one, even if it's really dirty down there. Yeah, some spare bags where I carry some sugar. Never put some sport powder in my bottle. Only use white sugar, as you can find it everywhere. So basically, started the race with like 200 grams, and then in auberge and restaurant, bought some more, put it here, and then can roll out with it. Really useful. So in there you have also a divider that's split the front part and the rear part. Use also the spare area to bring extra food in there. Here you have a small bag with all my Reaper keys. So well, there is quite everything you need, from a knife, from spare tubes, fixing. I have CO2 cans, extra tire patches. I have even a lighter, spare derailleur hanger, some tools for the spokes to rebuild the wheel if needed, some brake links, chain links, etc. Well, everything that you need. If you have any further questions about that, just hit me up. Yeah, spare tube as mentioned. Here at the back you can find, so this is my mattress, inflatable mattress. It's Camp Essential Light, 300-ish grams. Not very thick, but I mean, I'm 60-ish kilo, so yeah, find it very comfy. Never make compromise on sleep. Used to, but not anymore. For 300 grams, just take it. Spares and another spare tube. Always carry two, especially when you're going way out there. Better safe than fucked up. Two spare bottles. What I carry as well, bring it here. It's a very light salmon Chile. Put it from time to time. Really light. Not. I wanted something that you do not sweat at all in it, and very easy. I had a spare flask from Salomon, but also put it here like some spare bottle for the longer stretch, extra food, and then for the other part, just folded it and put it in the bag. It was very convenient to have that. At the back, the race drag bag. So basically extra layers, my slip kit, and so for the first time I decided to get through the race with an entire sleep system, so a sleeping bag, mattress, etc. Worth the wait, even if I use it only one night. Felt really happy about this choice. I mean, it is just peace of mind, and really happy about that. So let's have a look. What do I have here? Rain jacket, from Albion. Really light insulated jacket. Can be used as a windbreaker, same from Albion. Here on the front, so I have added a spare elastic band where I can place this same warm gilet. It is synthetic one. Used it a lot, paired with the insulated light jacket. Barely never used the rain jacket at all. So yeah, really happy with this choice. For sleeping, I took this down jacket from Rafa. Would have paired it with the sleeping bag, but yeah, never used it. If the weather would have been colder, I would have used the synthetic jacket from Albion, the Zoa insulated one. It's synthetic, less compactable, but warmer than this one. But yeah, for this time, I decided to go with this one. Never used it. Pillow, really important. Never started a race without this one. It's from C2 Summit, very compact, comfort, really important. Some spare glove from their sport food, really nice, up to 0 degrees, something like this. Leg warmers, never used it, but yeah, worth having them. What is this one? This one is merino base layer. Use it only once for sleeping. So basically, I'm sleeping naked, trying to take the bibs off, clean my butt, let everything breathe, and put this on top inside the sleeping bag. Was very comfy. Neck warmer, never used it. And here is the sleeping bag. So it's C2 Summit SP1. So it keeps you warm up to 8 degrees, but if you pair it with the merino base layer, some other layers, the down jacket, you can go up to down to 0 degrees without any issue. It's a down sleeping bag, so really nice for dry condition, really compactable, and really happy with this choice. Used it only once for 3 hours, slept like a baby, and never regret it. And last but not least, on the other side of the front frame, you can find some cash, passport, obviously really important one, the brevet card is here, all stamped. As mentioned, I used a wow bolt as spare. This one is really great as a backup. And voila. And another spares, external batteries. So yeah, that's pretty much all. You can find some spare pills. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy it, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a follow, share it. If you have any question, quote it below, and thanks.